Welcome to Good Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI engine to help with stock recommendations and trading in the market. While the engine is still in an experimental phase, we are committed to transparency and documenting the results of our engine. Please note that this video is for education purposes only and do not use the ideas in this video without doing some sort of research yourself. The stock market is inherently volatile and may cause losses unexpectedly. So please do the necessary deliberation and research before you start investing. So the stock idea for today is Apar Industries. That is for 18th of March 2024 Monday. And this stock has a negative beta value. So what that means is generally when the market goes down, this stock will start to move in the opposite direction of the market. And hence this recommendation. Right now, you might be seeing that the market is going down and may be in that state for a while. So hence we are recommending this. If you see the Bollinger Bands of these previous rally of the market was positive. It has gone very narrow, and one would expect this to go negative, but because the beta value is negative, and the average value has just crossed over the lower band, we may see some upside to this stock. Historically, in the last four transactions on this stock has yielded 11% return in a matter of almost about a month. So this is the stock idea for Monday. Additionally, we had given an idea for HDFC Life, and that has grown by 8%. But please be cautious here. If you have already invested in this stock, the moment it slides by 0.5%, it would be a good idea to exit the stock, taking the profit, whatever has been generated. So that's all we have for today. And thanks for watching. Also, please note that do your own research before investing in the stock market.